It looks so f***ed up. Oh my god, I regret doing this. Doorbell. Ring. From getting rejected in Shark Tank to being one of the biggest security companies out there, but still cannot afford to give screen replacement services for this. Hey there, I'm Appa, back to doing something stupid yet again. A few days ago I noticed the front glass of my Ring doorbell started to delaminate. Naturally I contacted them to have it replaced. But instead of having replacement screens, they suggested me to buy a whole new doorbell. Like, bruh. Of course I'm not gonna give them that money, and neither should you. So I'll take matters into my own hands and fix it myself.
Let's go!
So first off, we need to take off this little bit of plastic, which is still left. I'm guessing that it would be better if I just take off the battery cover and the battery as well. Like that, because I can get better under it like this. Just using some alcohol on it. It has this piece of plastic on there. You should be able to get a little plexiglass and put it on there as well. I'm guessing, just guessing, because well, this looks awful.
I hope it looks better in a few minutes.
So let's see if I put this little screen protector on it. Let's see if that fixes a little bit of the problem here.
You may be wondering why I'm using a screen protector. I just panicked, I don't know what to say. But looking it up right now, it seems that more people are doing it, so I'm not that crazy. Also, this is just what I had laying around. To cut this screen protector, I'll be using a hobby knife.
Looks already a bit better. Just want to see what it does right now. I do think it looks a bit better. So is it better?
Here are some images of what it looked like. I'm sorry, but it got corrupted for some reason. It wasn't looking good, but it's still better than it was.
I'm not really satisfied with the stuff that's going on right here, so I'll be doing it again and hopefully place the screen protector a little bit better. So this looks a lot better.
Time to give some final touches and then we're done.
But yeah, that's it.
And this is how you fix a delaminating screen on a Ring doorbell. Make sure to check out some other stupid stuff I did, you'd probably like it. Oh yeah, here's a before and after comparison. See you next time when I do something stupid. Bye!